Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about something that might sound a little intimidating, but it actually is one of the most powerful tools in your business, your financial reports. Now, don't glaze over on me because I promise this is not just going to be about numbers, it's going to be about clarity and control. So if you're live with me, drop in the chat about if you actually read your financial reports each month, or do they just sit in your inbox untouched? Come on, let's be honest. So I know that many of the contractors and subcontractors that I talk to run their business by looking at their bank balances. This is honest. If there's money in the account, they feel really good. If the balance is low, they panic. But the bank balance is only a snapshot. It doesn't tell the whole story. Your reports are where the truth actually lives. They tell you not just what you have, but about how healthy your business actually is. So, who here has ever really thought that you were doing great because your account looked full, only to realize that later your bills and your payroll were about to drain that bank balance? So drop some kind of emoji in there if you have been there before. So let's talk a little bit about the three reports that every contractor should review every single month. First, the profit and loss. This shows your income, expenses, and your profit. It's where you'll see if your jobs are priced right and whether your overhead is actually eating into your profits. Then there's the balance sheet. Now shows what you own and what you owe. It's like a health check for your business. Your assets, your debts, and your equity all in one place. Then there's that cash flow statement. This shows where your money is actually moving. You can be profitable on paper, but still have a cash flow problem if your money is not coming in when you actually need it. So these three together give you a full picture. And without them, you are simply guessing. So out of these three financial statements, the P&L, the balance sheet, or the cash flow, which one of those do you typically look at the most? So type it in the chat and tell me which one you do. Now, once you have all three of these reports, how do you use them? Now, one of the biggest wins is spotting profit leaks early. And here's what I mean. On your P&L, compare job income against direct costs. Are there any jobs that are consistently underperforming? On your balance sheet, check your receivables. Are you waiting too long to collect? That's a serious cash leak. Then on your cash flow statement, look at the timing. Are you paying vendors faster than you're actually getting paid? These are profit leaks that are like tiny little holes in a bucket. And a little bit here and there doesn't really feel like much. But over time, you're left wondering why you're working so hard and not getting anywhere, definitely not getting ahead. So if you have had to guess, what's leaking more in your business? Uncollected invoices or underpriced jobs? Drop in invoices or pricing into the chat if you think one or the other is the one that's leaking the most in your business. Now, here's the big takeaway. Your bank balance doesn't give clarity. Your reports do. So when you're reviewing your P&L, your balance sheet, and your cash flow every month, you stop guessing and start leading your business with confidence. Don't just get numbers, get clarity. And if you want help setting up those reporting systems that actually make sense and tell you where your money leaks are, go ahead and send me a message. I'm happy to help you. We do this all the time for contractors and subcontractors, and it just changes everything. So before you go, drop in the chat which report are you committing to look at this month that you've been ignoring. So I appreciate your time. I hope you all have an amazing day, and thanks for listening.